Fish and shrimp noodle soup with pig legs, rich, attractive and full of fun. Have you ever seen dancing noodles? No kidding, every time the soft, white noodles are dropped into the boiling broth, they seem to dance happily, creating a wonderful culinary music. And when you add the stars of fish, shrimp and pig's feet, your pot of noodles will become a real concert, where each flavor blends together, making everyone want to enjoy it immediately. Fish and shrimp noodle soup with pig legs is a rich, attractive dish in Vietnamese cuisine. Imagine yourself sitting next to a pot of hot, fragrant noodles, with delicious pieces of fresh fish, sweet and crispy shrimp, and fatty pig's feet. Just thinking about it makes you crave it, right? Let's go to the kitchen.
Prepare ingredients: 500 grams of noodles, boiled in boiling water, scooped out, 250 grams of lean ham cut into bite-sized pieces, 150 grams of fresh shrimp, 250 grams of skinless snakehead fish, all washed with diluted salt water and lemon, drain. Boil the lean ham in boiling water to remove dirt, then rinse with cold water. Boil the shrimp and fish, scoop out onto a plate. 150 grams of chives, 1 carrot, 1/2 white radish, wash all, cut chives into pieces, peel and cut into slices. 4 stalks of green onions. Cut the base into pieces, cut the leaves into small pieces, 5 cloves of garlic and minced shallots, sauté until fragrant, 2 lemons split into 4 pieces, 2 chili peppers sliced. Olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
Cook the broth in a pot of boiling water. Add lean ham, 1 onion and 3 cloves of shallots to sweeten the broth. While waiting for the ham to soften, peel the shrimp, remove the back vein, remove the bones from the fish, tear the fish meat into bite-sized pieces. Continue to stir-fry the fish with minced shallots and garlic, season with a little fish sauce and pepper to absorb the flavor. Now that the lean ham is cooked, add carrots and white radish to the pot of broth, simmer for about 15 minutes. Add a little more seasoning to taste and the dish is complete.
Presentation: put some noodles with shrimp, fish and chopped chives into a bowl. Scoop the broth mixture of lean ham and roots, sprinkle green onions on top. You can add a little ground pepper and chili if you like spicy food. The bowl of noodles looks so attractive, enjoy it right away. Every time you enjoy it, you will feel the perfect combination of ingredients, creating a unique and attractive flavor. What's better than sitting together, sipping a hot bowl of noodles, telling each other the happy and sad stories in life? Try cooking fish noodle soup with lean pork leg according to this recipe and enjoy happy, memorable moments with family and friends. Wish you success and see you again in the next attractive dishes.